be showing you guys how you guys can change your background color on Instagram stories. Alright, now if you guys have already uploaded a story on Instagram, then you cannot change the color of that story. In order to change the color, you need to upload a new story, and when you're uploading that new story, you can edit it before uploading it. Alright, you might be confused what I'm saying. Just watch the video until the end and you guys will understand what I'm trying to make you understand. Alright, you want to take a photo using your phone's camera, not your Instagram story camera. So I'm gonna take a picture of this cup over here. After you take the picture, you want to close your camera and you want to go on your Instagram. And on your Instagram, what you want to do is click on this plus icon on top of your name. So my plus icon is on top of my 𝐘𝐸 name. And I'm going to go on camera and I'm going to click a random photo. Once you click a random photo, you can click on the three dot at the top right corner, click on draw. And over here from the bottom, you can choose whichever color you want on your background. So let's have one green. Once I click on green, I just need to hold on my screen over here for some time. And as you guys can see, the entire screen is green. Once you do this, click on done at the top right corner and click on the sticker icon with its edges peeled at the top over here. It's a bit smiling sticker. Click on it and scroll a bit down until you see this little icon over here. So on my screen, right below the 211, there is a little circle, and inside that circle, there is a cup, right? So you want to click on this. And over here, since I wanted to upload this cup, I can click on this cup over here and the cup is uploaded. As you guys can see, my background is green. Now I can zoom into the cup or zoom out of the cup, or I can click on the cup over here to choose whichever shape I want. And after I'm satisfied with the shape, I can click on the arrow at the bottom right of my screen, click on share, click on done, and basically it's going to be added on my story.